Guys, in this video we are going to continue taking a positive number and subtracting a larger positive number. So in this case today, since we're starting off with a positive number and we're subtracting a larger positive number, every answer that we get today is going to be a negative number because I'm taking away more than I started with. So in this case, if I have 3, but I take away 4, a good way we could model this is positive 3 on the number line. We know that we're going to go to the left 4 because that is a negative. So if I go 4 to the left, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, we end up here at -1. Another good way to think about it is if I only have $3, but I spend 4, once again, I don't have enough money, right? So I'm going to end up with a -1. Problem number 2. So I have 2, but I'm going to take away 5. So I'm going to move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to go in that direction. So that would be 1, 0, -1, -2, and -3. So what I could do is what I'm really doing is I'm treating subtracting a positive, which is what I'm doing here, right? I'm taking away a positive number. It's the same thing as adding a negative because it's going to the left. So another way to think about it is if this were 2 plus -5, remember those are a different sign, so you're going to subtract and then take the sign of the number that you have more of. So either way you look at it, that answer is going to be a -3. Last but not least, I have 2, right? But I'm going to take away 8. So the way I need to think about that is, since I don't have enough to take away 8, I'm actually going to end up 6 short, right? Because I only have 2, but if I take away 8, that means I'm going to end up with a -6 for my final answer.